Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about the artistic text or artistic uh, brush for text. And I just wonder if you recognize any of these fonts. And you shouldn't, because they're one of a kind. I did them with the artistic brush. So take a text, and you can see right there it's Andy bold. Before you do this, you've got to go and convert it to a curve. Then get your artistic media tool, which is underneath your freehand tool, and pick a line, and there you go. Now, just a word of warning, sometimes if you do that and it does not change, and maybe it just might be my computer, you've got to go here and change the number, and then it will change. But you can change, and I mean, look at that. It's a weird font, but it'd be one of a kind. And just to kind of show you that it's um, not filled in with white, we'll take a rectangle and we'll do our yellow box trick, put it to the back of the page, and you can see that these lines would engrave black and everything else would not engrave. Anyway, it's kind of a cool effect if you've got something special. Um, this was done just freehand with lines. You know, I just took the freehand tool and just drew some lines, and easy as that. And you could even go and get the shape tool and make it a little bit better looking lines, maybe rotate that one around. You know, you could use straight lines, but straight lines not necessarily are perfect. And then select both those and go get your artistic media tool and pick a line, and there you go. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.